Hello YouTube, welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today we're going to work on our Random Loves journal. Now this one's just going to have stuff in it like random papers, stickers, sayings, whatever that I just like and I want to keep forever. I wish I would have done a video when I made this cover, but I guess I didn't. So what I did was I cut out this was a 3-ring binder planner, and I just ripped out the 3-ring binder and I put in my stitching method here where I stitched the signatures to a fabric and then I glue it into the binder. So that's what I did here. This is another thing that I wanted to keep forever, the fabric. So in here are all the papers that I love that I want to keep. Well, some of the papers, okay? And we're just gonna start filling it up with stuff. Other stuff that's relax. Okay, so you know the drill. Enjoy this episode. more stuff to add to this, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so there's plenty more I can do in here, but I think I'm gonna quit here because this one's been going on for freaking ever. So this is my, I don't know, I'm sure I said it at the beginning, but this is my random loves journal. So it's just stuff that I like that I want to keep, so I'm putting it in this thing. So let's see what we have done. So we got our Disney page with our mermaid and then Cinderella on the other side. I do have these Legos, but I dropped them and I have to remake it. But I was just thinking about selling it in the lot. Then I put in my first real watercolor. I guess I can turn it this way. And then we got this page. Me and B on here, which I already showed off. And then this one is I Am the Year of the Dog. So at my Buckeye Parade, I had my aunt get me one of these envelopes, and then I got a Year of the Dog thing. I hope this is right side up, but I'm not 100%, but I think the way these characters are, I think it's right side up. And then I got a whole thing of stamps here that are Year of the Dog. And then I put in this one, which you saw too. This is my favorite tissue paper ever in the whole wide world. And let's see. This one is like my spiritual collection here. So I glued an amethyst, a real piece of amethyst on here. So we'll see how long that lasts because amethyst is pretty flimsy. This is my spiritual page. I got a little Cthulhu over here. What am I hearing? And then here we have some of my, I think this is my first Inktober's. I'm not 100% on that. And then I put my man's in astrology and then my astrology over here. And then this one took me like an hour to do, but I love it so much. It is frickin' badass, I think. And then this page, it's got a little dangly thing here. But I just love it. It came out gorgeous. Oh no. Glued a little right there. Then I got my Deadpool one I already showed you. This I already showed you too, but I added this to the other side. Which is freaking awesome, right? I have some more kind of like this that I'm hoping to add in later. And then I did my washies, the ones that I loved. So I put all my washies that I liked in here. And there's a whole nother set because it turns out I had a bunch of washies I liked. But I also found a bunch I don't like, so I'm going to probably sell those on Etsy in like a lot. Alright, and then these are actually 6x6 squares, and I just cut an inch off of each one and then put it on here. And what do we got? Did we do nothing in the flower section? Just the absinthe thing in the middle? This is from my bottle of absinthe that we got. So I just cut out some pieces from the bottle about how to use it and stuff. And put a little fairy on there. And that turned out super cute. Okay. Is that really all I have in the flower section? That's, oh no, I did add these also, but that's not much. Where is it? Can you turn the page? So this is a sticker roll, but it's like, so you can color it in. So I just added it to the edges of two of the pages in there. And then this section, here's my other bunch of washies that I loved. So the rest are here. I tried to color coordinate them pretty good. And is that all in there? Huh. Okay, and then there's just a couple in here. I have my Simpsons and makeups that I got from Ulta. And then I got my weed stuffs that I like. Oh, I had another weeds thing I wanted to add into the other side. Anyway, I'll do it later, I guess. And then I think this is it, right? Yep, and then this is my textures page. So I just have a bunch of things with different textures on it. This is actually tissue paper. I thought it was a napkin. So it's not as like wrinkly as I wanted it to be. So I'm going to add like tissue somewhere. I mean napkin somewhere. And that's that. I mean, there's plenty of room to do stuff, and I have plenty of stuff to add, but I don't want to be working on this all the time. I got lots of other projects to do. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with the Inconsistent Crafter, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.